Hi guys, I did this one the other night, a spring powered car using coffee stirrers for the chassis and for the spring. I just lift that up, so just wind it up and away it goes. And when I was doing that, I thought this would work just as well with a rubber band. So we'll stick a rubber band on it, or two. Two should be plenty. Not sure how straight it'll go because these are a little bit flexible, but that should work. We'll give it a run down the kitchen. Well, that worked all right. Did the full distance. Better see if we can hit the camera. Yep, that one works fine. Job done.